Welcome to a new video from the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video, but I find it very interesting. They have brought us to the workshop a Hyundai Tucson 2000 CRDI, 16 valves, this one you see here. And the problem it has, the owner has told us that normally the fuel consumption does not exceed 7 liters per 100. But lately, it has exceeded 11 liters, which is a lot of consumption for this engine. He had already taken it to another workshop and they had put in the diagnosis machine, and the diagnosis machine did not show any errors. So what they told him was that the injectors would surely have bad or dirty injectors, and that they would have to be checked. We tested this car. We were testing it, and indeed, we realized that the consumption was very high. And also, when we accelerated hard, a lot of black smoke came out of the exhaust, and this is not normal. It could be an injector problem, but it could also be something simpler than that. As has been the case, look, there you see what I am pointing to in the circle, that is the MAP sensor. This sensor measures the air pressure in the intake manifold, and there you see that it is practically plugged, of course, with this plugged sensor. The ECU does not know the air pressure in the intake manifold. So what happens? It begins to inject excess fuel, which is why fuel consumption increases, and also it makes that black smoke come out of the exhaust pipe when you accelerate hard. Look, there is the MAP sensor. We have cleaned it with an electrical contact cleaner, and then we have installed it. This was a few days ago, and the owner has said that now he has noticed that fuel consumption has decreased and that black smoke does not come out when accelerating. As I say, sometimes it is easier than checking injectors. Sometimes as simple as cleaning this sensor too. I would advise you to clean the MAF sensor, or flow meter, and also the IAT sensor, which is the one that measures the temperature of the air in the intake. In many cases, this will solve the problem of consumption and black smoke. Well, here you have this short video. If it has been useful to you, don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.